Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at Gresham Cottage along Canterbury Road in Herne Bay. This gorgeous semi-detached Victorian cottage offers a very unique opportunity indeed. Incredible rural views over the adjacent farmland there, landscape gardens with gated access into the fields as well. This property is offered with no forward chain and vacant possession, of course. Large driveway for the parking there as well, really worth noting that. And you've got that fantastic workshop or garage space with the studio behind. The workshop itself measures about 16.5 by 13.1 feet, so that's a big whopping space to work with. You've got 3 bedrooms, 2 reception rooms and the study here, and as you can see it's been beautifully refurbished to a high standard throughout. So coming through from the main reception room at the front there, cosy lounge with that original wood-burning fireplace. We've come through the kitchen area, beautifully finished there with a range of fitted appliances as well as space for further white goods. We've come then through into the downstairs study, which if you needed it to be, could be a downstairs bedroom space, as you've got to the side of that the main bathroom there, beautifully finished with the bath on the left hand side, loo and sink unit there as well. And then from here it opens up into this incredible conservatory space where you can take in those just outstanding views and of course entertain from here as well. A beautiful big conservatory, and you get a little glimpse there of the garden and what we've got to work with as well. So we're going to head upstairs next and take a look at the 3 bedrooms that we've got here as well, and we've also got a very handy WC up on the first floor too. You'll notice coming through from the kitchen here, you've got that open staircase letting all of that natural light flood down into the space, just giving it a brand new aspect of light. Coming through into the first of the bedrooms here, lovely double-sized room, plenty of space to work with, beautiful carpet there as well, beautifully decorated, nice easy option this one to move straight into and enjoy, and you do of course have that view out across the fields from here as well. Coming out and taking a left-hand turn, we're going to come through and take a look at another fantastic double bedroom, this time with the feature fireplace there, being a Victorian cottage. This property does come with a little bit of character as well. Now you've got the open double-sided cupboard there adjoining both rooms, so again a bit of convenience and certainly an added bonus in terms of storage. And then from here, again, another beautiful double-sized room with further views out across the fields. And then just up next, we'll go through and take a look at the WC. We'll head into the rear garden, where I'll leave you for a few moments to take that space in, and then we'll reconvene and go through a couple of the property's key points. So there we have it. That has been Gresham Cottage on Canterbury Road, a beautiful semi-detached Victorian cottage with those incredible views across the adjacent farmland. You've got that beautiful garden, a gorgeous landscape garden here, wonderful finish throughout the entirety of the property. Real care and attention has been taken there. And then externally you've got, of course, the garden studio. You've got the workshop and garage space, plenty of parking, and then the property itself, of course, gives you 3 brilliant bedrooms, perhaps a 4th option if you'd like to use the study on the ground floor. The kitchen is fantastic, range of fitted appliances in there as well, open conservatory with those amazing views, and then of course that cosy lounge to the front with the original wood-burning stove, all offered with no forward chain. I really do hope that you enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.